But um, let's talk a little more about the nuts and bolts of integrated marketing campaigns. So for anyone listening who wants to start building an integrated campaign with a partner, understanding where to begin is crucial. So what's the first step when you're planning an integrated campaign with a partner?
So I would say that kickoff is probably everything. If we don't align on goals, target personas, KPIs up front, the rest just falls apart because we have our own objectives. Partner might have his own objectives. So I always spend more time than people or other orgs expect on that initial alignment. But in the long run, it actually saves us time because the execution runs just 10 times smoother because you already have a buy-in from partner, you already have a buy-in from your sales and product team.